it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a collab for you. So I joined in with a bunch of ladies on Instagram and we are doing a collab for today. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's just at alliesblog and you'll be able to see all of the ladies' designs if you check out my Instagram. So the theme for this collab is Smoosh love letters. So you kind of do a bunch of different kind of designs for this, I guess. So I'm going to show you how to do a Smoosh nail design with a stamper, and then I'm going to just stamp over it after with my words because it's love letters. So a bit of a different collab for me today, but I'm going to go ahead and share with you all the different products that I will be using for this design. So let's get into it. So first off, I just use this as my base coat. This is, I'm not sure how to say it, but it's a factory reset. I just got this from Polished Pickup. So this one is called Emotions, I think it's supposed to be. But that is what my base coat is I'm using. It's supposed to protect your nails and kind of like restore them. It's a nail treatment. So that is what is on my nails. You can't really see much, just a shine, but that is my base coat that I'm using right now. And then for stamping, I am going to be using, or I guess this will be my base coat. So I'll be using Hit the Bottle, and this is Sparkling Cyanide. Another Hit the Bottle. If you've noticed, I love Hit the Bottle. This is Break the Icing. And another one, and this one is Purple Rain. And one more Hit the Bottle polish. This one is a Bolt from the Blues. Let me know what your favorite stamping polish is. If you've noticed, obviously I like the Hit the Bottle. I guess I really like all the colors that they have. But leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys are using for stamping, and I would always love to check them out and try new stuff. So I'm gonna get onto the stamping plates. So I am gonna be using this one here. This is a Special Effects. This was a Bunder Monster plate, but they changed over to a Maniology. So this is XL452. And then I'm using this one here. This is from the Born Pretty store. This is a Valentine's Day plate. This is L008. And then we're going to be using a Queen Nail Party 01. I got this one, I believe, at Walmart in the States because we don't have them here, unfortunately. And it came with the little stamper, or one of the plates from Queen came from that. So I'll be using that stamper. And then I'm going to be using the Creative Shop Hollow Glass stamper. I think that's what it is called. And yeah, let's go ahead and get smooshing. So I usually like to use like a pretty kind of squishy, stickier stamper rather than the clear ones. You can use both. I'll show you, I guess, with both of them. I just seem to like this one better. I might use my Moody London one if I could find it. But anyways, we're going to use this one. So there is two different ways of doing it. You can just do the dots right on the actual stamper, or you can do them on, like I have my silicone Uber Chic mat down here. You can do them on that and kind of smoosh them together and then put it on your nail. You can always do a base coat like a white. I'm not doing that today. I'm just doing my natural nails, which is that base coat. But you can do a color like you would do for a water marble kind of deal, like something like that would work too. So using like a white is usually best because it'll bring out the colors more than a black, depending on what your colors you are going to be using anyways. But I'm going to show you how to do it right on the stamper. So I'm just going to use those 4 Hit the Bottle polishes, and I am going to take it off. Well, actually, we'll just hold it. I am just going to put little dots kind of anywhere on the stamper, and make sure that you have all your polish bottles open so they're just ready to go. And right beside you. It doesn't really matter how you do this. Don't use a ton of polish because then it will make it kind of more messy. Like, I mean, the amount of polish when you do the dot, because I know I'm using different colors. So yeah, basically what you do is you just put it on your nails. So you kind of just move it around, I guess that's what we would say. So you kind of just smoosh it in there. And if you miss any spots, you just kind of put it on there again. So that is what it looks like. If you want to use a barrier around your nails. That will be easier for cleanup, but obviously I didn't do that today. So I'm going to show you the other way of doing it, and that's just on the actual mat. Alright, so on the mat, you can see I have my silicone mat. Actually, well, maybe we'll do it on a nail. Hold on. Alright, we're just going to do it on this little mini Born Pretty Store mat I got at Born Pretty Store, obviously, a little while ago. I think they still have it, or I have a version of this one. I just like having an extra little mat. It's pretty good to put different things on there, but I'm going to zoom you in and stop rambling. Alright, so same sort of thing, just put your dots anywhere on the little spot, and we're going to do it kind of quicker. And it doesn't matter if they overlap, because then you'll get more of a smooshy kind of look. Alright, so we're going to take that stamper and just kind of smoosh it on, and you'll see you got same kind of effect, and then you just put it right on the nail. I think I might actually like the matte one better. Maybe we'll try again the other one. But I'll try it on the clear stamper just to show you kind of the difference between the two. So just dots. Wait, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the nails. Alright, so I cleaned up all my nails, and that is what all the smooshing looks like. Looks pretty much the same, but a little bit different on each nail. I forgot to mention, if you have like leftover kind of polished on the stamper when once you've done the smoosh on the nail, you can always just use that like over top just to kind of fill in any areas, and it'll work for another nail too. So if you have a lot left, you can always just smoosh it onto the next one instead of kind of like wasting that polish. So that is that. So now we're gonna get into our stamping, and I'm just gonna kind of fast forward because I'm thinking you guys know how to do this all. So let's get into the stamping. Alright, and that is the finished nail design, so it's all cleaned up. I decided to do a matte one. I just got this Glisten and Glow matte top coat from Polish Pickup. I think it did a really good job. I have a few, like I have like one or two matte top coats, so I wanted to try this one, and it looks pretty good. I have the one from Wet n Wild that I usually use, and another one, but I wanted to try this one, so far it looks pretty good. And yeah, that is the finished nail design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my Instagram too to see all of the other ladies' designs. Alright, thanks. Bye.